Hey guys, so we're going to take and try something different out today. We're going to try the Duvolle, and it's the Desire Series Styling Iron. I should get sent this, and I already tried it out already, but I'm going to do an on-camera thing so I can also kind of chit-chat with you guys and all that. I will have a code. I don't get anything for it, just gives you guys money back, like off of it and stuff, so definitely check out the discount code if you are interested. But yeah, let's get started. I wanted you guys to see messy hair. It was all wavy because I had it in braids, and as context, it is like 90 something out. It is very humid, and I just brushed it out, so it is big, it is puffy, and it's a good way to start this off. Wow, this is hot. I only have this on part of the way too. Turn it down a little bit there. I do like the buttons. It's got an on-off on the inside and control, like temperature control setting on the inside, so it's not on the side, so you don't hit it. Because that's a big deal to me. It is beautiful. It's hot pink. It is so pretty. I used this the other day, and I really, really liked it. It's a good weight, not too heavy, not too light, but I figured we can chit-chat, do my hair, and you guys can kind of see what it looks like here. I'm not too picky on how I do this. If you guys don't mind, I'll probably look off to the side because I got a mirror right there, but put this up here. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Figured I could chat with you guys, catch up. I'll also do a video where I'll just talk just about this and give you guys a review. So for those of you guys who just like that, there'll be a whole separate video on that. So I am using my wet brush. I absolutely love the wet brush. It is my favorite, and I also already put heat protectant in. I put some spray in, as well as I put in some cream. So, very important. But yeah, I'm going to put my mirror about here-ish, so just don't mind if I kind of look away for a moment. And it's really hot in here, so bear with me. But yeah, I wanted to catch up with you guys, see how you guys have been. I see that my content, my newer content, is kind of going back and forth. I'm glad you guys are being supportive and you guys like it. It means a lot to me, to be honest. So thank you guys so much. But I wanted to do something different. You guys know I don't often do my hair, so when I do, I figured it'd be fun to share and kind of just do here. But I'm going to have to break out the air conditioners already. Sucks. I was hoping not to have to do it yet. I was hoping we'd get a break between the cold and the hot. I live in upstate New York, and we did not get that. It kind of just went from one extreme to the next. So that kind of sucked, but what are you going to do? But I'm not putting on any foundation. I had to wear a mask most of today, so a lot of times I don't really wear foundation because I'm wearing a mask. It's like, But, yeah. But I like how you guys have been liking the new content. So pretty. And I also, by the way, I love how this is pink, because my other straighteners get really gross because I do use red semi-permanent, so it tends to get on them, and you can't tell with this one because it's being pink, so I really like that it's pink. They have other ones too. They have curling ones, curling irons. They have other types of straighteners as well. I was so happy that Duvolle reached out to me because my friend has the Titanium Series one. I forgot, it's like a black one though, and she loved it, so I was so surprised when they reached out. I was like, oh my god. It made me feel really good because it's like, oh, I know somebody who has one and they bought it and they liked it, so it made me feel good. But, you know, just, I feel like we never really get to sit down and chat, and I told you guys I would do a mixture of all different kinds of videos where I do beauty, my more spiritual, conspiracy theory, all them kinds of fun videos, the horror movie videos, really trying to do like a really diverse channel, because I'm not like a one kind of person, one-dimensional person. I have multiple interests, and I would like to share that with you guys. At least that's what I like to do. And so far you guys seem to like it, which makes me happy. And for all the new subscribers, hey, how are you? You know, you can make this really straight. I'm one of those people where I don't like my hair super pin straight. I probably got this around 300, I'm going to say. It can go up to 450. I don't even have it at the 300 probably because it's less than half. But I don't like it to be too pin straight because I like my hair to be a little bit bodied and not so just pinned to my head. because if not, I kind of have a big head. And also, and I feel like it looks really, really flat. So, don't mind my cat. She's playing with the box over here, having a grand old time. So over here is some ruckus. It's her. She's trying to fit in a very little box, and she's a big girl, so she might come over here in a minute. If she does, I'll pick her up and show you guys her. You guys love Wubby. She's the gray one, for those of you guys who don't know her name. She is the gray one, and you guys seem to love her. She loves the camera. Every time she hears me turn this on, because it makes a little noise, she always comes running up. She'll be in a sleep too, and she was enjoying her time on the catio. If you guys don't know, they have a little window in the back that's like, it's an encaged porch for them, like patio thing, and they love it. But I know some people like to straighten their hair with a brush, but you could totally do that. Everybody's different on how they like to straighten their hair. I always just kind of went for it. But again, everybody's different. If you have more like waves and curls to your hair, I definitely recommend using a straightener with it. You probably get better results. But if you naturally have pretty straight or just wavy hair, I mean, like, I don't really need it, so I mean, it's up to you. Granted, again, this is only half at what it can go to. I don't even have this on 300, but I try not to put too hot of heat on my hair, because, you know, we try to be good. We try to be good. Also, because I realized back in the day, like, I don't know why I was cranking my hair straightener to 450. It didn't need to be 450. I understand if you have more of the kinky, coily type of hair, then yeah, totally. But like, I realized I was just overkilling the hair for no reason, and it is unnecessary. I'm sorry, I hope you guys don't find it offensive that I'm looking off most of the time, but I do like to do these chit chats. Like I said, I am going to do a whole separate video where it's just going to be a quick review, just talking, and a quick demo of the product for those of you guys who like that and all that. I absolutely love that the buttons are on the inside, because my old one did not. It was on the outside, and I would accidentally turn it off and on all the time, and I would turn it up and down all the time, and it was really annoying. So I love that the buttons are on the inside. Like, yes, can we do that with everything? Like, please. For a red hair update, I'll have a whole video on that as well. I have to go into my bathroom anyway and go through some stuff, but show you guys what I've been using, how the process is. By the way, we're on 3 weeks now, so I'm behind on when I did that, but 3 weeks it's been, and hair still looks really red. I love it. I haven't really lost too much color. Again, I use that rock lobster. I'll do a whole video just dedicated to it, but yeah, this does not play this hair dye. I will say, if you are one that wants to change up your hair dye a lot, that probably won't be for you, because it stays. And I have very little runoff when I take a shower. Before, it used to be like pure red and pink. Very little comes out when I take a shower, so just as a heads up, I'll have a whole review on that, but just so you guys kind of have a quick thing on it. But I wanted to try to wait at least into the month mark, but I've been keeping up my roots using the No Fade Fresh just on the roots, just a shampoo, because I didn't feel like spending $30 when it comes to a shampoo and conditioner. So I've just been using that as the shampoo just to keep up my roots, because most of the time that's my problem area, is my roots. And that's been doing a fairly good job, so I like that. Let's give it another brush. I already gave this a brush beforehand, so you know, always good. But I find this to be, it's really quick, it doesn't take me too long. And I'm not making this perfect, because as I said, I don't like it to be perfectly pin straight. You could totally get it pin straight with this. This sucker gets hot, so you can definitely get this pin straight with this straightener. Plays no games. Boom. Also, if it probably wasn't so hot, my hair would be definitely sleeker, but it got humid, and my hair is naturally, like, wants to be puffy. Not voluminous in the good way, just puffy. Be like that sometimes. But, you know, I love having this time to kind of talk to you guys and do some more chit chats. I'm going to do more of these. I'm kind of going to be decluttering after this, because I have to get rid of some stuff. I just got rid of a bunch of stuff, like a month ago. I wish I filmed it because I got rid of a lot. And then I've been using up a lot, all my almost empties and all that, so it's out of the way. Staying with using just one sponge. I finally got to get rid of that because that was literally falling apart. But really use up some of the stuff I got. I do have a powder foundation coming in. It's been a while and I've been liking that, especially with wearing a mask. It's a little bit easier than wearing a, what do you call it, a liquid foundation. And not just that, I'm super oily, so hopefully then it will keep me more matte. And everybody seems to really recommend it. It's that L'Oreal one. So we shall see how that works. It's supposed to be here later on in the week. They never have my shade ever in any of my stores. They only keep the middle tones available. They don't keep any of the lighter tones or the darker tones. Like most of the time they don't even have a spot in any of my stores. Sometimes they do and they're always sold out. Or a lot of the times they just don't even have spots. Sorry about that, it was in mid-sentence and the camera died. Always fun, but yeah, I just finished up. I wasn't really saying anything too much in particular. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. Don't mind between the hot lights and it being 90 something out. It is really hot and this still looks really, really good. And remember, I didn't even have it at 300. I love that there's a temperature control like that. It can go as low as 140 and go up to 450. I know people are asking. Again, I'll have a whole review video just dedicated to this, as well as the Good Dye Young hair dye, its own review. But absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Duvolle, for sending this to me. Absolutely, I love it and I will use it. And it's perfect timing too because my hair straightener actually broke after I had it for like a decade and it recently broke. So I'm really excited because I don't often straighten my hair and then I try to keep it up when it is straightened so I don't have to keep doing it. I really like this. And you can obviously make this super pin straight. Personally, I don't like to do that because I don't like it too flat to my head, so I like that I have the option to not have it super hot and I can kind of control it a bit more, so I do love that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, and it was great to catch up with you guys. I'm going to do more of these so we can stay in touch and have more of these one-on-ones. But thank you guys so much. Alright, bye.